Welcome to another iPace owner breaking news, or should that be EV owner breaking news? You may have seen the channel name has changed. More about that later. Basically, this is a update for the iPace's pre-2021, pre-Pivy Pro anyway. These are the ones with Touch Pro Duo. This is S21B is rolling out. You may already have had it. The fixes on this are fairly limited. This is basically primarily around Apple CarPlay. There was an issue with audio on Apple CarPlay. Sometimes you just wouldn't get the audio coming back on after you've had voice navigation, etc. That's been fixed. That seems to be working very well from what people tell me. But there is a potential another issue with this update, and it's to do with the airflow. You may know where this setting is. If you go onto the settings on the lower screen, you can see this. You have the option between powerful, soft, and balanced, and I usually have it on balanced. Now, what my good friend Abu Dhabi Dude found was that after this update, his had shifted to powerful, and that was actually affecting his range. Well, not so much his range, but his consumption, because obviously on powerful it's using a lot more electricity to blow the fans out. So you might want to just double check that after you've done the update. Anyway, that's it. S21B on its way to you. I'll put a link to Abu Dhabi Dude's video about this at the end of the video.